Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how I did these swirl nails. I don't know what you would call them. They kind of look like an illusion. They swirl in the center pretty tight except for this one. And that was the very first one that I did. And then these ones I really like, but I like that as an accent nail, but I'm going to show you how to do these. I don't know what you want to call them, illusion nails maybe. They look like kind of like that. So anyway, this is what I'm going to show you today. It's a water marble. Yeah, so I'll be water marbling with the Boii Cosmetics Hacker, Savvy Chic Nails, Butterfly Wings from the Lupus Awareness collab, and then IMK Nails, Shirley Marbelous as the clear water marble, and also going to be as the base we're going to use IMK colors, which is Grape Jizz, which I have already got my pop stick handy right here. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, one thing I do want to mention is that I saw something similar to this. Actually, it's what gave me the idea, and that would be lacquer. That's where I saw this technique from. I don't know that it's the exact same, but the swirling in the center is pretty close to that. So I just wanted to give her some credits for that. But this is what I'm going to be doing. First is I'm going to put my black in. We have to kind of somewhat work fast, so I'm going to do my black first. Then I'm going to alternate and do the clear. And I'm going to do the pearl, clear, black. Okay, and what we're going to do is keep doing this till we have 3 rings of each. And you can turn it to make it spread. So now this is our 3rd ring of black. I'm going to set that aside. Try to get this to spread a little bit more. And what I'm going to do is end with this purple in the center. Okay. I want this to spread out a little bit more. And just as you manipulate this, the center does make everything spread. Okay, so now I'm going to take my water marble tool by What's Up Nail. Okay, so I'm going to do a normal petal, bring it to the center. And then I'm going to do a pointed petal. I don't have to take it all the way to the edge if you don't want to. It gets a little sticky, but you may not even have to do this pointed part, but that's just what I started out trying to experiment. And I didn't, I have no idea. You probably don't even need it. That's how it came out on mine, so that's just how I'm going to do it. And then you start in the center, and then you just do really small swirls and just keep doing that. And then dip in the center to bring it all together. And there you go. There's your little swirl. And then you can take your little pop stick and figure out where you would like to have it. Turn it this way because I want to have this pointed part in the design as well. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to do like this. Okay, let's clean it up. I blow on the water because it dries it so it comes off in more of a one piece. out. And then there you go. There's your little swirl. Hopefully you can see that. That's how I do the swirl. Not sure how you can see that or not. And at that point, once you get it nice and dry, putting a top coat on it is always going to help. So I'll use my Glisten and Glow. There we are for a nice, I don't know what you want to call this, illusion or twilight zone, whatever. It's a swirl. I'll just call it a swirl because that's basically what it is, a center swirl. So, okay, well, hope you enjoyed and hope you decide to make it. And thanks for watching.